to Tea with Toys. So we are going to be unboxing this Polly Pocket Compact, which is a bear. Now let's get started. So as you can see, it's a very nice baby blue and with a belly of sparkles. It also has a nice lavender sleeping mask and comes with 2 bears, 1 table for the cupcakes, and two sleeping masks, 2 dolls, 1 whole pizza, pepperoni maybe, and it also has 2 popcorn and two beds. And it comes with a floaty, a telescope, and a fireplace. So let's get unboxing. Now that they're out of the box, let's take a look at the accessories and that super cute bear compact. So first we see that this doll has super cute baby pink pajamas with a bear. Also some fluffy white clouds. And she has some purple hair tied up into a bun and a purple sleeping mask painted on. Also, she has yellow slippers. So I'm gonna put this to the side. The ones that we've already reviewed, we'll put those to the side. Now we have this other doll, which is very miniature, and she has brown hair tied up into a bun with long hair on the side and blue eyes and a cute smile. And a shirt with, let's see, oh, it's a bear sleeping. It's super cute. It's also pink. And she's wearing purple pajama pants and she is wearing blue slippers. So then we have the super cute hot pink tent that we can put our little Pollys inside. So for example, if I take this one, let's put it inside. So you can open it and it's yellow inside. You can put her in. Oh, sorry. You can put her in. Put her in like this, snap, and it closes with a snap, so you know. And then you can see. So let's open it back up. Oh, the doll fell. Okay, now we have this super cute popcorn. And another one, the super cute popcorn bucket. We have these super cute cupcakes. There are 4 of them. And they look like blueberry cupcakes or grape cupcakes. So let's put this aside. And we have this super cute cushion chair. So let's put this one on. Oh, so I mistaked it for a table. It is not a table. It is super cute cushion chair. So here we come back to the beds. So you can lay them aside like this or create them into bunk beds. They look really cute as bunk beds. Look, here we have bunk beds. As you can see, they can climb them up. They can climb up. And this bottom, very cute addition. So one is purple with some paw prints and some hearts. Maybe because that one likes animals. Oh, it's on both of them. So this one's colored turquoise. So this aside. And we have these super cute bears so that we can put on the bed. So this one's the same color as the other bed, and this one's like a peachy lilac pink. So let's put these aside. And we have a floaty so so they can go in the pool with it. Let's put one of them in. As you can see, they can go in the pool with it. And we have this pizza that looks like it's mushrooms on it, not pepperoni. Maybe it's like a maybe it's like a pizza with vegetables on top, I don't know. And we have this vanity with loads of makeup products on it. And if you turn it around, loads. And some bags. So Polly's gonna look in the mirror. And we have this super cute moving telescope. Moves. So they can look whenever they want from a far distance and from below. So we have this fire. So if they're cold outside camping, they can go next to it. This. And they can roast the marshmallows. It didn't come in with any marshmallows. I wish it did though. It would be really nice. So, okay, last accessory. We have these sleeping masks. They're super cute. I'll put them on later when we're doing the role play. So, now let's look inside the bear. Time to open up the cute little bear. So, as you can see, the sparkles move around. Really nice, right? Okay, let's open it. There's also a purse. Wow, look guys. So, wow. Looks amazing. So, let me just put this away. Now we can really see what's here. So we have the first floor, which is the kitchen. Now, as you can see, you can open the fridge. It's really, really adorable. So, and you can open the oven. It also has a sink, cupboard, and a stove on the cupboard. And a place to store pots and pans and some drawers. So we have the bedroom. So there's a P for Polly, some speakers, a lamp, and this thing, I don't know. I think it's like a table or something. And a super cool plant. And this beanbag chair, which is purple. And you can whoa. And you can see her closet there. So now for the last thing. Now for the last floor, we have this cool place to watch the stars. So we can put our telescope there. So, and there's this cat, and you can move the star to see that it actually becomes shooting stars. Now, see this part. So let's see this part. So we have. Can I close this? So we have this space. We have this diving board. And these stars, they're plants, and this picnic mat. Also, this bag and the football. This is a place to store all of your things. So you can see there's some toys and some more stuff, some more toys. So now this is all for this video. Bye!